Hello, everybody. I'm very happy to be here today. I would like to start by saying that I'm not a software developer. My name is Michal, and I'm from the HR team in Tel Aviv. When I've started to work at Klarna 4 years ago, surrounded by software developers all day long, I thought to myself, well, this is probably how Captain Kirk felt when he spoke for the first time. Because our perceptions, the way we think, and even the way we express ourselves are completely different. Now, let me show you what I mean. I would like to give you 3 examples of things that made me understand that we come from different worlds. So first, you're precise, rational, analytic, and very practical. Sometimes a bit too much. I learned that I always need to back up my claims with data, facts, and more data. So now I'm using the universal translator. Instead of me saying the interviewer's team, I have a really strong gut feeling about this candidate, I will say the candidate is 99% match for the position. Second, you love efficiency. Every time I want to share my work with you, I need to think twice if I did it in the most efficient way. Because if not, you will make sure to point it out, and then you will automate it for me. So, fika time. Instead of me going around the office and call everybody to come, our developers build me a remote car based on Raspberry Pi that drives around the office and does it. Much more efficient, I know. And third, you have your own sense of humor. And the thing is that it's really logic humor. Sometimes I don't really get it. For example, we had a cake decoration contest in the office. Now, take a look on my cake. I tried to describe the sunset in Tel Aviv, the sun, the beach, the high towers. Now, this is a cake I got from one of our developers. Dev cake. Yes. So, yes, we are different. And it can be really funny sometimes. But beyond that, those differences can be really productive for us. Because we have a chance to learn from each other, to contribute to each other, to be a great team together. And that actually made me think about my role, about my place as an HR in Klarna. What I realized is that you are my main focus. You're my main concern, my main interest. And this is how I see HR in general, as a function with a clear focus on people first. So what did I do? I learned to interact with you better. Throughout the years, I learned to speak Vulcan. How? First of all, by sitting together with you in the open space. I hear you. By organizing hackathons, by joining your demos, by giving input in your backbus sessions. And last, you know what I've started doing last week? I've started to write code. Oh, yeah. And I think it's a huge step for me and for our work together. But even that, it's not enough. In order to be a really strong team, think what you can do to get closer to your HR. Try to involve us more in your day-to-day work. Invite us to your demos. Ask for our input in your backbus sessions. Believe me, the more we will know, the more value we can bring back to you. You need to use our differences to get a different angle about your work. In order that we will understand you better and support you better, that we can approach candidates in a more professional way. By using all this knowledge and our strengths to create better atmosphere and interactions in the company. So next time you see your HR, don't think about us as a different species. Think about us as a potential partner on your crew. Because only together we can boldly go where no man or woman has gone before. Live long and prosper.